Okay, Jimmy cut down this tree, and what's left is an oak stump. It's about 4 feet, 4.5 feet, nearly 5 feet tall. And he wants me to go ahead and carve a bear out of it, so I'm going to do that. That's his house. Well, let's see. Getting it kind of taken care of, getting a little bit of back shape to it, and got a lot of work to go. See if I can get this done before the sun gets down. This?
White oak.
White oak. And you cut it down because?
I want a bear out of it.
I think you wanted shade for your garden.
Yeah, take my garden.
And now you want a bear out of it. Okay. Yeah. All right.
It's pretty wood bear.
It is some pretty wood. I'm just trying to figure out where this bear is going. All these people that are looking at their bear, and we finally have some legs on the guy. Well, he's pretty much finished. That's the bear. I'm not sure what time, 7:30. I started about a little after 4, so about 3 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, well, I'm just getting a picture of you and your bear. He's a nice looking bear. Now hang on. I'm just gonna get a side view here.
That's what we're gonna do like Friday night.
So how many bears do you have?
And I got 4.
4 of my bears.
Yeah, made 4 bear.
Uh-huh. Well, this one's, I like this guy. I think he's an adorable fella.
This is the 4th berry carved from the Terry.
That's the 4th berry carved.
About the first one you carved yet.
Is that about the prettiest one he's carved yet?
Well, good. I'll charge you more for it then.
Is it? You're gonna charge him more for it then?
Okay, are you hugging a bear? What's your name?
What's your name?
She forgot. What's her name?
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne?
Yep.
Yep.